Okay, guys, what's going on? As you know, our sauces are going nationwide. You got to call your local Do It Best hardware store. We don't know the name of your local hardware store. They partner with 3,500 across the country. You got to go to findmysauce.net and look for your local store. Do a little search for your zip code. It'll show all the locations. Call, they'll start carrying my sauce, and enjoy, all right? Okay, guys, but in the meantime, the show must go on. We are doing another Back to Basics episode. This one is how to make chili. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring you in close. We're going to talk about each of the ingredients. We're going to explain why each of the ingredients are being used. And it's a basic, simple chili recipe. Okay, let's do a little rundown, explain all the ingredients. You got your ground beef. We're doing 80-20, 80% ground beef, lean, 20% fat is in it, mainly for the flavor. If you go 15% meat or 15% fat, then there'll be no flavor. It'll be very lean. So I go 80-20 meat, okay? I do frozen. I don't put frozen in the recipe, but I always freeze my garlic cloves because they last forever. You can buy a big, huge container, freeze your garlic cloves. They're already peeled. Get the kind that's in the big jar, already peeled, and put them in the freezer, okay? They'll last forever. And then what do we got here? Got kidney beans, of course. Got pinto beans. You got diced jalapeños for flavor. Got salt. This is a tomato sauce that we went with. It's very flavorful. It's one of our favorite new things we found. We have to use this. You got some cumin, and cumin is literally all Hispanics use cumin. Once you taste it, you'll know, oh, I've tasted that before. It's a very popular Hispanic flavoring. It's awesome. Cayenne pepper and chili pepper for the heat. Oregano for the flavor, and Rotel for more diced chilies and diced tomatoes. And that's it. This is a basic, simple chili recipe. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you guys probably guessed, we're gonna put a little oil in a pan and heat it up. There we go. Get it nice and hot. Okay, got the oil nice and hot. Pan's all hot. Go ahead and brown all your beef right in there. Break it up. There we go. Got everything going really good. Let's get our flavors in now. Put a little Rotel in. Get our garlic in there. There we go. Our tomato sauce. A little sprinkle of salt. Chili powder. Oregano, cayenne, just a pinch, get it all, there we go. Put the cumin, go ahead and get everything incorporated into the mix. Put all your flavors and seasonings in here, your meat, your tomatoes, your garlic's in here. I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic. You can never have enough garlic. see here. There you go. A little pinch. Garlic seasoning. As you can see, it's all coming together. Don't forget, put your jalapeños in. Dump those in there. Get those incorporated. It's all nice and hot. Beautiful. Color's good. The thickness is good. It all looks good. All right, so let's cover this. We're gonna let it simmer for 1 hour. Simmer means low. Let it simmer for 1 hour, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, it's been simmering for quite a while. Let's get the beans in now. Get your kidney beans in there. There we go. Get your pinto beans in there. There you go. Mix it all up. We're gonna let this simmer for about 15 more minutes to incorporate and heat up the beans. Get them to be a part of this beautiful concoction. Get it all mixed good. There you go. Get the lid back on. Make sure you're still on the low flame. Just leave it to simmer for a little bit. We're all done. Been simmering for a while. That smells amazing. Get it all mixed up. Totally meaty. Look at that. You can add anything you want in the chili. You want to add bacon, add bacon. You want to add bell peppers and onions, add bell peppers and onions. Add whatever you want. You want to put cannelloni beans in? That's what's great about chili. It's a free-for-all. All right, let's see how we're doing now. All right, can't have chili straight out of the pot. A little bit of cheese. Whoop, little speck there. Put that in there. Gotta make sure there's some cheese in there. Awesome. Gotta make sure there's some sour cream. There we go. Get it all mixed in. Give me a second. Alright guys, let's give it a try. Should be spicy. I have like jalapenos, chili powder, and what was the other one? Oh, cayenne pepper. That's it. Here we go. Very spicy. Oh, Tammy's gonna be so upset. Anyway, so we are doing our basic series. It's a whole playlist. If you're just learning how to cook, if you don't know how to cook, or you've been cooking only a little bit, these are basic recipes. Show you how to make something simple. So this is how you make a simple, easy chili. All right. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.